Hello again. Today we are learning just the interface of MapInfo Pro. We are starting a new tutorial with regards to ArcGIS Pro, and so we will be learning just the interface to accustom ourselves with how ArcGIS Pro looks like. And so when you open ArcGIS Pro, this is what will be shown on your screen. And so if you are working on a new project, I will prefer you go to blank. So let's choose blank, and then you save your project, maybe project 222. Then you choose your location, and then you create a new folder for this project. If you are already working in a folder, you can place it in it. Since we are creating a new project, we can create a new folder for that project alone. And then we click OK. So a file name already exists. Let's make it 223. So the blank workspace opens, and when it opens, it seems you see nothing. What you have to go is go to new map, and then you click new map. And so the world topography map will be opened, and perhaps it will serve as a backdrop just for viewing or as a backdrop sake. You can't do any specific GIS analysis on that, and so this is how it opens. This is the map of the world. You can zoom in by pinching in and pinching out of your mouse button, or rolling the middle key of the mouse upwards or downwards. So because I'm using a laptop mouse, I will zoom in. I'll zoom into a location. Or pan, and then I can zoom in again. So that is it. We have a way of full extent of zooming in. When you click full extent, it will zoom in to have a view of the entire layers that you've opened. When you click zoom out or zoom in, it will zoom in a specific distance. A zoom out, it will also zoom out in a specific distance. So when we click on it, you can see it moves out at a specific, it moves in at a specific distance. So that is it. We just have to, when you look at this thing that we are seeing here, it's a group. So it's bounded by these lines. This forms a group, this also forms a group, this forms a group, and this as well forms a group. We call these as the ribbons. The share, the edit, the view, the analysis, we call it as the ribbons, because each one has a lot of stuff in it that will be used in your map making. And then when you come to this, we have this as the view, the place you are, the area you are working in. A tab will be open, and we call the tab a view. We have this as the content pane. This as the content pane. As we add more layers, you will be getting more. So this as the content pane, and then this as the content pane, and this as the layers pane. And that is it. Basically, that is if you want to measure a distance of any place. Let's say I want to measure the distance of a feature from another feature. I can do that. If I want to measure this a straight boundary between these points, let me choose a very important feature. If I want to measure the distance from the coast to this reserve, a straight distance to the center of this reserve, I can click on it. I can change the unit to kilometers, and then it's what, 59.48 kilometers distance from the coast to this reserve. 59.48 kilometers. You can also measure the area of a place, and then you choose the area unit. Acres or something is 1,156,378 acres. That is the land we measured. That is it.